So hello guys, welcome to Marina DK. We have crossed the 600 subscribers, so बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग है 600 सब्सक्राइबर हमने जल्दी क्रॉस कर लिए हैं. So I believe we will cross the 1K as soon as possible. I will keep making the video on the content and the good content, whatever I feel is good for the study material. So today we are going to discuss about these 6 questions, what I have mentioned. So starting from the first question, before that I want to tell you one thing. जैसे ही हम 650 सब्सक्राइबर क्रॉस कर लेंगे, जस्ट अबाउट द 650 सब्सक्राइबर क्रॉस कर लेंगे, आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द वीडियो IMS गोवा रिटन एग्जाम. किस पोर्शन से कितने MCQ आ सकते हैं, एप्टीट्यूड एंड फ्रॉम द जनरल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द जनरल इंजीनियरिंग, व्हाट इज योर कोर इंजीनियरिंग, दैट इज मैकेनिकल. So talking apart from that, let us start from our first question of the day. Will you get the loan? So talking about not for the GME, whether it is ETO, DNS or it is BSc Nautical Science, you will get the loan if you approach the bank on the right note, on the right way. So second question ये था कि which bank should you approach? You should approach the right bank, which is right. So I will suggest you to approach the government bank, which comes under the central governments. So that will be better because the rate of interest है वो भी बहुत कम रहता है as compared to private bank. Private bank में approach करोगे, you have to pay the little bit higher. So private bank so we एज हमने बात करी थी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट के बारे में. सो ROA के बारे में आपको बता देता हूँ. ROE जो आपका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, ROI सॉरी नॉट ROE, that is ROI, rate of interest जो भी है आपका, that will vary from the 8 to 9% between the government banks, and if you talk about the private banks, that will be little bit higher. You can conclude it around 11 or 12%, not more than that, maybe around 12.5. It can be vary up to that also. When we talk about our fourth question or fifth question, documents required and how to approach the bank. So when we talk about this question, it is very easy and it can be very hard. It depends upon you how easy you can handle this. So I will tell you how to approach the bank में. सबसे पहले आपको विद्या लक्ष्मी पोर्टल है, उस पर ही आपको एजुकेशन लोन मिलेगा, उससे आपका एक जनरेट होगा ID. So you can apply on the Vidya Lakshmi portal. There is many videos on YouTube how to apply on the Vidya Lakshmi portal. So easily you can get that video. While apart from that, you have to upload all the documents required in the Vidya Lakshmi portal, that you can go through the videos. After applying on the Vidya Lakshmi portal, you can apply, you can select the banks around you in your district, in your city. So it will be very much easy. आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ऑन द विद्या लक्ष्मी पोर्टल, यू विल सी दैट एक कॉपी आपके बैंक के पास जाएगी, एक कॉपी आपके पास आएगी ऑनलाइन, और एक कॉपी गवर्नमेंट के पास जाती है. ये गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है विद पोर्टल का. सो बैंक आपको इजीली डिनाई नहीं कर सकता लोन के लिए अनटिल एंड अनलेस दे हैव सफिशिएंट प्रूफ और इनफ रीजन. सो इट विल बी बेटर इफ यू अप्लाई ऑन द विद्या लक्ष्मी पोर्टल एंड देन अप्रोच द बैंक, बिकॉज बैंक भी आपको यही कहेगा विद्या लक्ष्मी पोर्टल पर अप्लाई करो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, once you get your ID, approach the directly to the manager. Don't contact to the employees, they will misguide you or whatever it is. So मैंने अपने 2-3 दोस्तों से ही बात करी है, तो I have found it they have directly contact the bank manager, whether it is where the central banks or whether it is about the private banks. So after you approach the bank manager, you can disclose your things, you can explain him about the merchant name easily. Hopefully he can understand it. If not, you can show him. This is mentioned on every bank website. The providing bank to the Director General of Shipping courses, degree, diploma, or any additional things. So once you are joining any of the companies or any of the sponsors company or colleges, you will get the DG approved letter of the college. So वो आपको show करना है बैंक मैनेजर को. After that, you have to show second thing is sponsorship letter to the bank manager. If not for the PhD BTech, don't worry. The GME, ATO और DNS के लिए आप you can show the sponsorship letter, DG approval letter, Aadhaar card, PAN card, PNB passbook, bank की photos. That are the documents which are required. It will be further 10th, 12th mark sheet, BTech mark sheet. These are the all documents will be required in, and nominee. Nominee can be your parents or any other, whichever is suitable by you or the bank manager. Apart from this, एक क्वेश्चन और था कि अमाउंट कितने साल में रिपे कर सकते हैं. So it will be approx be taking your 12 to 18 month of sailing, because आप 5 to 6 लाख का लोन लेते हो तो आपको 35 to 40 की पेमेंट होगी फर्स्ट शिप पे. So it will be little bit lesser if you sail for the 6 month. If you take 35 as your 35K the per month salary, if you sell for the 6 month it will be around 2.10 lakh, and if you pay 1.5 lakh it still remains the 3.5 lakh or 4 lakhs. In next ship you will be getting paid amount will be little bit higher, around 60 to 65K, 70K, depending upon the ship carrier, how LNG, LPG, crude oil tanker, it is bulk carrier. Apart from that, you will take almost around 12 to 18 months of your sailing to repay the amount. Loan लेने में कोई बुराई नहीं guys. If you want to take, I have contact my friend, 2 3 friends. They also said the same thing. It is nothing to worry like that. So thank you and subscribe the channel guys.